Once upon a time in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Stephanie. She was lively, kind-hearted, and loved the simple joys of life. The rhythm of reggae music, the aroma of jerk chicken, and the warm glow of sunset over the sea. But more than anything, Stephanie loved stories. Stories of love, adventure, and hope. One bright Saturday, Stephanie decided to visit the local cinema. As she entered, her eyes caught a young man sitting by himself, looking a little shy but with a warm smile that lit up his face. His name was Junior, a charming guy who loved movies almost as much as he loved making people smile. Junior noticed Stephanie and felt his heart flutter. Summoning his courage, he asked, "Would you like to watch the new movie with me?" She nodded with a bright smile, and they found their seats just as the lights dimmed and the screen flickered to life. Throughout the film, they shared laughs, whispered comments, and exchanged glances that spoke louder than words. The story on the screen was about love overcoming obstacles, and little did they know, their own story was just beginning. After the credits rolled, Junior suggested they grab some juice and sweet popcorn. Under the glow of the setting sun, with the sweet scent of spices in the air, Junior took Stephanie's hand. "You know," he said softly, "this movie was good, but I think I just found my favorite story, our story." Stephanie's cheeks blushed as she looked into his eyes. "And I think I've just met someone who makes my heart dance like a reggae beat," she replied. From that day, their love blossomed like the beautiful flowers in Hope Gardens, full of laughter, music, and the promise of many more adventures. And so, in the lively island of Jamaica, Stephanie and Junior's love story became one to cherish, a beautiful melody that would play on forever. And that's the magic of a simple date, where two hearts light a spark in the cozy space of a Jamaican cinema.